You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 96, editing and deleting work item links. Remember in previous lab what we did? We have just created a work item link. Now in this lab, we'll see how to edit and how to delete that. To perform this lab, you need to log in using your primary account. I'm logged in using my primary account. We'll click on top left corner on these 4 blocks, and then we'll click on Jira Service Management. We'll click on top right corner and go to Settings. Under Settings, under Jira Admin Settings, we'll click on System and we'll click on Work Item. Under Jira Admin Settings, we'll click on Work Item. And then we are going to scroll, and in Work Item feature, we are going to click on Work Item Linking. So this is the one that we have created, Issue. We'll look for the work item that we have created in previous lab, which is Issues. And now we are going to click on Edit. Review the details that you have provided. Now you can edit as per the requirement. We are not editing as of now. We don't need any addition. But yes, you can try it, you can edit it. And now let's click on Cancel. This can be updated or edited as per the requirement. Now, on work item page, we are simply going to click on Delete, which is under Action. For the work item that we have created, Issue, we'll just click on Delete. We'll click on Delete. We'll click on OK. We'll go back and work item linking is deleted. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.